get you an update as far as the bumper listing is concerned on the flip side. First, let's address the bumper listing like I talked about. It's a stellar listing that you're looking at. 50% premium is something that you had record-breaking. In fact, Mahima is joining in with all of those very important details. And it's LG Electronics that we're talking about that's top of the list right now, Mahima.
Right, so there are two things, right? Markets are not doing very well in trade today, but despite that, we're seeing a bumper listing coming in on LG Electronics. So 50% is what we've seen at the time of listing, and it is sustained that kinds of gains till now. So it's very interesting, moves coming in on the newly listed company. Now, in terms of what brokerages are penciling in, the target prices that a lot of brokerages that have initiated coverage are around 1,800 odd rupees for LG Electronics. I'll start with Motilal Oswal, that is given a buy rating with a target price of 1,800. High industry growth potential, holds leadership position is what is making them bullish. Premiumization and localizations to drive profitability. Focus on localizations will further expand margins also for the counter, and they expect LG to trade at higher multiples given the strong return ratios as well. Consistently generating operating cash flows over 154 billion is something that they are liking. In terms of Ambit, they've initiated coverage with a buy rating and target price of 1,820. This is the highest target price we've seen so far. They've said that the export could be a key component with the new Sri City that is doubling its capacity going forward. However, it will slightly in the near term impact the ratios, but could be a big one for LG Electronics. Lastly, in terms of what they're saying in terms of increased localization and premiumization, that will drive the margin expansion going forward, and GST cut could also augur growth. The last one is Nomura, initiated by, again with a target price of 1,800. They're saying that focus on mass premiumization, exports and B2B initiatives to drive growth and improve profitability as well for the company. India's demographics provide structural growth visibility for large appliances, and they estimate EBITDA margins to improve from 12.8 to around 14.1% by FY28, led by better mix, operating leverage as well as localization. Lastly, they expect the company to trade at the midpoint of trading band between 30 to 45 times. So this is the overall view of what brokerages are figuring out with regards to where LG Electronics stands.
All right, and so there you go. That's the entire brokerage verdict coming in as far as LG Electronics is concerned. Thank you so much, Mahima, for getting us that update. So you do have brokerages penciling in targets ranging between 1,700 rupees to 1,850 rupees.